In the heart of the jungle, where the sunlight streams, a lion taps the drums with big golden beams. His paws go pitter-pat, a rhythm so grand. The jungle comes alive with the jungle band. A monkey swings low from the vines up high, strumming his guitar as he leaps through the sky. Strings swang and pluck a mischievous tune, dancing with leaves under the smiling moon. The elephant lifts his trunk with a trumpet's call, a blaring bright sound that echoes through all. With each mighty note, the river bends and sways, and even the parrots join in with their praise. The frogs on the lily pads tap out their beat, hopping and croaking, their rhythm so sweet. The crickets chirp softly in twilight's glow, adding a whisper to the music's flow. The snakes shake their rattles, the toucans squawk loud, every animal joining, feeling proud. The jungle's alive with a magical sound, a harmony hidden, now finally found. From morning till night, the melodies play, filling the jungle with joy every day. Leaves sway and rivers shimmer, the flowers all dance, as the jungle band grooves in a musical trance. Hear the lion roar, the trumpets blare, the guitar strum floats through the fragrant air. In every nook, in every tree, music brings life wild and free. So listen close as the stars appear, the jungle sings for all who hear. A rhythm, a laugh, a beat so true, the jungle band plays just for you. They sway beneath the canopy, each heartbeat tuned to song. Bright shadows waltz while night birds hum along. Together they weave a tapestry of sound.